So a lot of people have questions about wiring a radar detector to a 2018 Jeep Wrangler. It's very, very simple to do. I don't have the home link or any of the special mirrors. So we're gonna come in here. Here's my radar detector, red line. She's a beaut. All you gotta do, we take down your plastic piece, covering your frame. I have a cord, of course your power, that comes up. We can splice into two different connections. Now your power coming from your mirror, that is ignition power, is going to be your pink and yellow wire. The ground you need to tap into is your black and white wire. And that is it. It is so simple. I'll give you a quick demo. So here's the cord. That goes up into here. And then we're going to plug this in here. Key starting. And it was that simple. And I also have a mirror mount up here. I'll clean it up and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so I got the dash cam all wired up here, and here's the dash cam sitting up here. I'm gonna turn the ignition. And it fires up. Again, it's that easy to get this running. Looks clean. And we're good to go. Make sure you subscribe for more to come.